Meanwhile, Chairman of the Bangladesh Cricket Board Media Committee, Jalal Yunus, has expressed the concern over the expected impact the decision by key West Indies players not to tour next month could have on broadcasting revenues. Test captain James Holder, limited overs skipper Karen Pollard, Darren Bravo, Shamar Brooks, Roston Chase, Sheldon Cottrell, Evan Lewis, Shea Hope, Shimron Hetmeyer and Nicholas Paran have all opted out of the tour due to COVID-19 related concerns, while Fabian Allen and Shane Dowrich were unavailable due to personal reasons. Yunus has been quoted in the Daily Star in Bangladesh as saying the BCB is committed to give the best, as this will be our first international series since the pandemic. Financial issues such as broadcasting the series are also there. But if the big names are missing, then it becomes difficult because ultimately we have to sell the product. End quote. Yunus was also surprised with the decision by so many players to pull out of the tour, especially after medical doctor Akshayman Singh and the security manager Paul Slow gave the all clear for the tour after visiting Bangladesh in November to examine that country's preparedness to host the series. West Indies are due to play 3 one-day internationals and 2 tests on that tour starting January 18.